Hey guys, it's Ashley, and I'm at our newest listing out in Holts Summit. It's 970 Cochise. This home is so neat, has lots of great things about it. It sits at the end of a cul-de-sac street, and it is nice open floor plan. When you walk inside, you're going to love the open kitchen, living room, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The primary suite is beautiful. The tile in the primary bathroom will knock your socks off, and a nice walk-in shower as well in there. Also, you have 4 garages. So you can see from the outside it looks like a 3-car garage, but one of those bays is a double bay that actually has a garage door in the back, so a drive-through garage door, so it fits 2 cars in there for a total of 4 garages. The lot is an acre. You have tons of privacy, nice backyard, very nice and flat, plus a wooded tree area that gives you a ton of privacy. So this one is not going to last long, but be sure to sit back and enjoy the tour.